With the West Indies heading quick and fast towards a last place finish at the ICC World Cup, it's a good time to remind Caribbean cricket fans of what happened in the weeks leading up to the World Cup, where the West Indies, coming off a major psychological boost after beating England in the Test series and tying the ODI series, players were happy with the then new coach Richard Pybus. They expressed confidence and blah, blah, blah. Then in comes the new Cricket West Indies president, Ricky Skerritt, with broom in hand. Everybody else said, Mr. Skerritt, don't sweep yet, don't sweep yet. Wait till after the World Cup. Mr. Skerritt don't take no talk. Him sweep out the selection panel and then him sweep out the entire coaching staff. All the way I said, don't sweep yet. Wait. Well, the sweeping won and the West Indies went into the World Cup and embarrassed the region. Within the West Indies camp, we see no plan, no leadership, no guidance, no discipline, no brains, no nothing but bad decisions and dunce cricket. As the West Indies head into their final game against fellow minor qualifier Afghanistan in a showdown to decide who will come second to last and who will come dead last at the World Cup. Mr. Skerritt, what you have to say for yourself? What you have to say for yourself, Mr. Skerritt? You think I alone a broom? We're ready to sweep your office. You think I alone?